You are going to see today Netherlands, Amsterdam city. Amsterdam city is at 2 meters below the sea level, and normally Netherlands is around 26% is under the sea level. Netherlands. Some areas of the Netherlands is 6.5 below the sea level. So that's why they having a good flood mitigation systems to keep that lands dry. So we are now going through around the city. When you are going through the city, you can see some canals like this one, and end of that canal is there's a water barriers there. That's called dikes and dunes, and block the sea levels to come into the inland area. So inland area become a dry area. That dry area called polders. That means polders, dikes and dunes work together to keep the inland area free from sea waters. So we are now, but to keep that inland area dry 24 hours, pumping station there. Early days having windmills, now is working with electric. You can see that the ladder over there, how that ladder is using for moving house stuff from upper level to the ground level through the motor. See that tram at Amsterdam. So another canal over here too. And we are going on that bus called hop in and hop out bus. Normally every city is having those buses for tourism to go around the city. Through the bus we went through the normal roads around the city. So this is the cruise terminal. So we can cruise to the one of the port area. This is the railway station. It's the port area. This is the central station at the back. These are the boats for cruising through the canals. So we are in one of the boat. Now we are cruising through the boat around the city. One of the early day ship over here. past, a lot of people died several occasions due to sea water flooded into the land. Central station, you can see now. After the cruise, we'll start walking around the city. This is some of the busiest street in the city. In a shopping mall we are now. In that tour we went to another place called Diamond Factory. This is the Diamond Factory outside, called Gausson's Diamond Factory is the display of early days that Gaussson factory owner started work over here, and how the factory works. Some photos over here. This is the diamond cutting place. How they cut the diamonds by machine. Some cutting devices, grinders. Diamond factory, lot of diamonds items display over here, and some more machineries used for that factory. Diamond jewelries, watches, different types of watches. You can see now on. different brand of watches over here. Some of the ladies and men's watches. Diamond factory tour and end of the Amsterdam tour. Thank you for watching. Please put a thumbs up and put the bell icon on.